one of the biggest sites in London, Warner Brothers Studio Tour, Harry Potter. We made it. We're going to show you around, show you what to expect here. Also, show you how to get tickets in case you didn't book in advance. Sorry if you didn't, they can sell out over a month in advance. We're going to show you some guided tours you can do also. Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And we're your guides abroad. We finally made it, Warner Brothers Studio Tour Harry Potter, one of the biggest sites to go do in London. Technically, we're an hour outside of London. It took us an hour and a half on the bus. This tour sells out in advance. For example, we looked at tickets May 1st. All of May was already sold out or unavailable, and even in June, the morning ticket slots weren't available. So you gotta book early, you gotta book your date and your time slot to come here. What we ended up doing was booking a guided tour. These tour companies snatch up a lot of tickets, but it makes it nice in case you didn't plan ahead, you can get last minute tickets. We booked these less than a week and a half out, and we were able to get a nice time slot for us to do it.
Which is helpful. Drawbacks, it's about 3 times more expensive. And is it worth it? No. You don't actually get a guided tour. What you get is transportation, and it's nice transportation. It's a nice, clean coach. It's efficient, it's fast, they have their system down. But if I was planning in advance, would I book this tour or would I just book straight with the studio? I would go with the studio. Unless you have an aversion to public transportation, you want to take a coach, but I prefer the train. It's easy to take public transportation. They have a free shuttle that goes from here to the train station, and it leaves every 15 minutes, and that is free.
There are tours that will take you like Oxford for a walking tour, or take you somewhere else. To make more of a day out of it, more of a tour out of it, it's interesting. We have links to all these tours down below, so check those out, learn. Not saying this is right for everybody, but if you're excited to come here and you didn't book those tickets, then heck, you know what? Check the links down below to learn more. We're going to go inside and explore. We're excited to see this movie magic. All right, we're off.
Welcome to Hogwarts. Give those doors a gentle push. Nice and gentle.
So the tour duration, once you get inside the actual, studio lot, is 3.5 hours. So 3.5 hours in here to walk around. There's a halfway point in the back set. That is where you can grab some butterbeer. You probably have some toilets too. But you can really spend 3.5 hours here just exploring and checking it out. There's so much to see and learn here. You can see why people come back to do this over and over again. And they change it up too. They bring in on new sets all the time. Pretty cool. So yeah, 3.5 hour tour. We're not showing you everything, of course. Just showing you some highlights. Oh, this is cool. Cheers. So this was $7.45.
$7.45.
For a butterbeer.
You get to keep this.
And look at the top, it looks really cool. It looks like kind of like butter, I guess. This lighting's not good, but the outside. Tastes like butter? Oh, he's thinking about it.
It tastes like sugar is what he said.
How's it taste to you?
Tastes like sugar.
Yeah.
Like almost like it could be a root beer, but not. Very much more mellow. So let's talk pricing. So if you were to purchase tickets in advance directly from Warner Brothers Studios, it would be $53.50 for an adult, and that's in pounds. Then you add on the cost of the train, the tube, whatever you have to take to get here. Let's just call it 70 pounds. Now, purchasing a ticket through a third party, which is like the tour we did, it was, I believe, $165. And so really what you're paying for is the fact that you didn't plan in advance, sorry, like us, and you get transportation in a coach. So they take you out here and back, very comfortable, clean, easy ride. I gotta say, they have their organization down, but you're gonna pay like double. But it could be worth it. I'll just be honest, the studio tour, exceptional. If you are even a mild Harry Potter fan, I think you will find it so interesting, mesmerizing, everything. I highly recommend going if you have time in your schedule, and it sounds even remotely interesting too. It's very cool. Would I do this tour again? No, I'd book in advance if I could. If I couldn't get tickets because I didn't book in advance, would I do this tour again? Yes, because I'm very happy that I'm here. So, I don't know if that clears things up for you, but click the links in the description below to see this tour, to book tickets right with Warner Brothers if you're doing this in advance enough, and just to learn more. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.